Are you sick of getting generic, totally useless answers from ChatGPT? You type what feels like a clear request and get back something vague, boring, or just plain wrong. Here's the good news. You're probably making one single, super common mistake, and it takes less than a minute to fix. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly what it is and how to make sure you never waste another prompt again. You've seen the hype. ChatGPT is supposed to write code, craft marketing campaigns, even draft your emails. But in reality, your results are meh. It's not you, the AI isn't broken. You're just missing one key ingredient: context. Today, I'll reveal the #1 mistake killing your results and give you a simple 4-part framework you can copy-paste to go from meh to wow instantly. The mistake? Treating ChatGPT like Google. You ask a one-sentence question like, write an email to my team, or tell me about social media marketing. But ChatGPT has no idea who you are, who your audience is, what tone you want, what success even looks like. So it does the only thing it can, spits out the most generic, forgettable answer possible. Let me show you. If I type, write a social media post about our new productivity app, the result? Fine, acceptable. But it's the kind of post you'd scroll past without noticing. Zero personality. Zero hook, zero reason to care. That's not AI failing. That's your prompt failing. Here's how to fix it in seconds. Stop asking. Start directing. Use the RCTF framework. 4 simple ingredients: role, context, task, format. 1. Role. Tell ChatGPT who to be. Act as a world-class social media strategist who specializes in launching tech apps. 2. Context. Give it the backstory. We're launching Momentum, a productivity app for overwhelmed entrepreneurs. Its killer feature? AI that auto-prioritizes your to-do list. 3. Task. Be laser-specific about what you want. Write 3 Twitter posts to announce the launch. Goal. Drive clicks to our website. Format. Define the output. Keep each under 280 characters. End with a clear CTA and our link. Use 2 to 3 relevant hashtags. Now feed that full prompt to ChatGPT. The difference? Night and day. Suddenly, the posts are sharp, targeted, and persuasive. They speak directly to your audience's pain. They're not just okay, they're ready to publish. All because you gave it context. Want to go even further? Add one magic phrase before complex requests. Think step by step. This forces the AI to reason out loud, so you get fewer errors, better logic, and higher quality output. It's a tiny tweak with massive impact. So next time you open ChatGPT, remember, don't just ask a question. Give it a role, context, task, and format. You'll be shocked how much better your results get. Now I want to hear from you. What's the most frustrating or useless thing ChatGPT has ever given you? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. You now hold the key to unlocking ChatGPT's real power. That one shift from vague query to clear direction will transform your results forever. If this helped you, hit subscribe and tap the bell. Because next time I'll show you how to make ChatGPT sound exactly like you. Thanks for watching.